everybody, it's Ellen here, and today I'm in New York City at the Kips Bay 2023 Decorator Show House, and we're going to see what's new and exciting inside. I purposely didn't peek because I wanted us to experience it together. So it's show house time. Let's go. 337 Riverside Drive in New York's Upper West Side was designed by renowned architect Robert D. Cohn and was built between 1899 and 1902. The mansion is 5 stories high, 10,000 square feet, and was constructed of brick and limestone in the Beaux Arts style. The original owner, actress Julia Marlowe, purchased the home for $60,000. That equates to $1.2 million today, and is currently on the market for $24 million. So let's start the tour, but let's take a sneak peek of what the designer had to work with. The designer did a fantastic job of keeping the original elements, the floor and the molding, modernizing the space, using the power of black paint. Let's take a closer look. This amazing light fixture was designed specifically for this space. Check out this fun powder room with this Art Deco wallpaper. Outside the elevator on the first floor, there was a fun gallery wall with a lot of historical photos. Now let's make our way into the first of many living rooms in this home, and this designer really hit the mark, creating a beautiful contemporary space filled with art, texture, beautiful decor, and just a touch of whimsy. Now this was my favorite part of the space. Love the artwork, and these chairs were to die for. Now, was this room amazing or what? So let's make our way up to the second floor. Look at this very interesting wallpaper. So the next room we're going to check out is a living space that's off a huge atrium. Look at that transformation. And this designer had a lot of fun. Let's explore. I really appreciate that the designer chose to leave this mantle in its original condition. Look at all the beautiful carving. No paint here. I love it. Wasn't that room great? Now make sure that you're subscribed and that you've hit the notification bell, because in my next video, yep, more show house. I mean, it is 10,000 square feet after all. Let's continue the tour. Now this next space was the atrium when you reach the top of the stairs. Now this designer really played with the various shades of green. let me give you a shot of the next room that we're going to be entering. And here's the before. And here's the after. This space is designed by Timothy Corrigan, who's known for his refined yet comfortable style. And this space is definitely that. I absolutely loved this wallpaper. So let's take a closer look at this wallpaper and everything else in this magnificent space. Now let's get a closer look at this fireplace area. Check out this beautiful tulip pierre. I really love this vignette. And these giant selenite logs were just perfect. All right, well that was stunning, so let's head up to the third floor. Check out this wallpaper. This show house had the most stunning wallpaper. A lot of it was hand painted, a lot of it was grass cloth, gold, silver leaf. Amazing. Before we head up to the third floor, let's check out this sweet little powder room. I love how they kept this original pink marble floor. Now this space might be small, but it sure was big in design. Love the detail on this molding. Can you imagine the work that went into this piece? All right, let's continue up. Stunning. Next, we'll be heading into this little glass structure. What a fun little space. I really love this space. The attention to detail was so amazing, right down to the hinges. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you leave me a comment down below on what was your favorite room so far in this show house. And if you missed my first show house video, click on this video right here, and I'll see you over there.